Hi, everyone. Wow, it's been an amazing few years at Tesla here in Northern Nevada. I know there's been an article or two written about it, so as Dave mentioned. But one thing that's not always in the news is the response and the incredible community that has supported Tesla here and that has supported the Gigafactory. I remember in 2015 when there was probably a handful of team members. Truckee Meadows Community College and Western Nevada College both started putting industrial manufacturing investments and new robotics and automation programs, and just seeing how proactive this community has been. And then you go around this facility that's 5.5 million square feet, and you see 16 local food trucks. You see the local businesses, and you know that this is an incredible ecosystem here. And we just want to say thank you and how much it has meant to be a part of this community here in Nevada, and how unique it is, and how early on we are all in this growth. When you talk about those next 20 years, I could not be more excited about thinking about that for Tesla and our workforce here. And from our whole manufacturing and construction leadership team here, we just want to say thank you all so much.